Hello everyone, this is Chadwick, and today I wanted to bring you an update, some news from, I guess it was the Grammys, and you can look on YouTube for these videos. That is Billie Eilish, and she won 2 awards. One was for Best New Album, I think it was Best Single or something like that. So, for your entertainment news, you might want to look that up. There they are here at the Grammys, and we're all very happy and proud of them for their wonderful artistic work. Don't forget about Fiona Apple. She may be several years ago, but still a great song, Sleep to Dream, and Criminal. This woman is called Kawe, or Kawahai, and she is a cover artist and does great beatbox work. I would definitely recommend listening to her music if you're an audiophile. There's Criminal. And there's one of Billie Eilish's videos that has several spiders in it. There's a new video from Miley Cyrus, younger now, as usual. She has a great team, puts together excellent videos. It's always very entertaining. My cat is in the way. Shut up, come on, Turkey. Come on. Get down. Come on. So that's my cat. One of 3 of them. There's a concert thing there. Jessica Simpson, still one of the hottest chicks in the world. This is LSD by Genius and Lil Wayne remix. Pretty cool song, awesome video. Pretty neat. Billie Eilish again. And there's one of hers called Ocean Eyes. So mainly I just wanted to let you know about the Grammys and how Billie won 2 of them, so I think that's awesome. And I keep up with Hollywood and the entertainment business in Los Angeles. And this is one of the endless and timeless songs. She nailed it. The song called I Love You Like a Love Song, which is, I guess, the truth or something, I guess. That's how you get a boyfriend or girlfriend, and love me like a love song. Some new artists. This is my landing page at YouTube. So I just want you to know that Billie won 2 Grammys, and thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.